now I'm going to tackle this bit here and the back here. Okay, so we made the cardboard template and we put it over onto the metal and bent it up and fabricated another metal bracket. Also placed the bracket onto the rotted area, removed the rot according to the bracket, which will now go in there. So what I need to do now is to put that in place and tack weld it up, and then once I've tack welded this panel in place, we'll move on to the next area, which is this area here, and I intend to make a panel for that, tack it in place and then weld up the whole of the back of the floor. Seems to be some light at the end of the tunnel now. I've welded several panels in and got several more that have got to be welded in, but as you can see, I've now made panels up for most of the rear corner. Just got to weld this in, weld here, put the inner floor corner in, and then I'm going to put the outer panel on, and then that will be this side done, and I'll be able to concentrate on the other side. Okay, a little bit of welding, I'll show you when it's finished. Okay, so that's the boot right hand rear corner all finished now. Put the panel in the front, done all the repairs to the back, new panel in there, the outer panel, I've joined that on, made a panel for the little curved section at the back here, and all these panels coming along here. So quite pleased with how that's come out. Obviously it needs a little bit of body filler and then a good coat of paint, and not quite as good as new, but very strong, and it'll do the business. So all it is now is to get on with the other side, which is an exact replica. Lots of holes, but should be relatively straightforward. Now I've done the right hand side. Okay, I'll take a video of that when I've finished it.